everybody, Quaker here, back with another video. Today it has been a long time since I've taken a break. It's been a long time since I've uploaded on this channel. As you guys know, if you follow social media, you know that I was in Ghana for about, I don't know, almost 3 weeks, so 2.5-ish weeks left in the middle of August, and now I'm making my return back. And I just want to start off just saying thank you all for who has continued supporting me and watching the videos and things like that. The last video I did has hit big numbers compared to what the videos slightly previous in the year were doing. And I just want to thank everybody for continuing commenting and doing everything like that, because as you know, on this platform and on the internet, when you are a small content creator, having hiatuses that are about 3 weeks long can make or break, can really just shatter your entire existence. You just disappear off the platforms, and I'm glad that I can still continue pushing content out and hopes that things just keep moving forward. And that's really the whole goal here, is just keep moving forward. So I just want to thank you all for all of that. Now, I do have some updates to let you guys know of, and the first of the updates is just that, as you know, I'm in a new space. I'm in a new room, in my room still. Of course, I picked up some books as I was away. So I have this Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson, this Being Logical. I'm trying to read behind me. Then I have my little MVP certificate back there just to decorate, make things look a little nicer. As you all know with this channel, I don't make things perfect. There's no way I ever really decorate, because this is just where I sleep. And there's no other space to do anything else. So you're just going to see things as I work. You're going to see a cluttered space. It doesn't really matter. But I just want to showcase those new acquisitions just like that. And the other thing, too, that I wanted to let you guys know is an updated video upload schedule. So as I said, as the summer was coming to an end, I was going to have an updated video upload schedule, and now it's happening. The new video upload schedule is going to be Mondays and Fridays, same time, 10 a.m. But Mondays and Fridays, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Just because my schedule has changed because of this new job, and then this just some changes and things like that. Classes have begun up again, and just things like that. As you know, I'm working towards getting my master's degree, so things have started changing, things have started shifting gears, and in order to do that, I got to change my upload schedule, which is going to hurt me heavily probably in the beginning, but it should be fine throughout. So expect things basically starting the week off with the channel and ending the week with the channel. Yeah, so that's really the main big thing right there, is the upload schedule change. Another thing too, in terms of art and design and changes there, I am looking into actually updating the logo and the banner. The banner will definitely change, because as you know, if I'm going to change it from Tuesday and Thursday to Monday and Friday, I have to change the banner to make that change too. But with that change, the whole banner is going to be redone. So fresh banner, something just feeling revitalized, just traveling out of the country and going to a place where people don't have as much access as I do here in the US. It really got me thinking about certain things, and that's kind of why the change is happening, because I was hinting at the change when I was kind of upset earlier in the year in January about the video takedown and stuff, but now it's time for that change. I don't know about a name change still, but I have some names out there in my head, and I've written down, and I have some, they seem solid to me, but as far as current changes, it's just the schedule of uploads. That's the big one right there. Another change, or addition, I guess, is I really want to get back into streaming. I really want to get back into streaming things just for fun, just chatting with you all, chatting with friends while live, and just enjoying it on the weekends. Let's say I'm not out or anything like that, I'm just in this room, or just enjoying it in my living room here, roommates, whatever it is, just streaming, enjoying, engaging, because it's not all about Windows, it's not all about what Microsoft does or whatever it is. Sometimes you just don't care about your job of IT or computer science, whatever you do. Sometimes you just want to kick back and just enjoy some games, and yeah, now I want to be able to do that. So that's a thing that I definitely want to bring in. I don't know when yet. I want to probably push it for weekends, most likely, but I don't know when yet. So that's a big thing there. Another thing, though, I've been thinking about just kind of speaking out loud, is the podcast, the Next Windows on Air. I've been thinking about bringing that back. I'm not sure how yet. So if you have any ideas in terms of content wise or kind of structure it should be, if you're a person who knows about podcasts really well, let me know in the comments section or send me an email, contact at nextwindows.com or nextgenwindows, whatever the email is.com. It's all there in the description box if you want to check that out. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know anything else really. I just want to say, I guess, how are you guys doing? How's life been in 3 weeks? It's been a while. I know those of you who only follow me here on YouTube, you're probably wondering where I went. I do put some things in the community area, like when I traveled and I was showing the yoga book or the yoga laptop that my mom uses, the Lenovo laptop. Little random things like that. But I do encourage you all to take a look at the Discord page or the Discord channel thing, server, whatever it is. Just because I am also on there and I do see what happens on there, just so that way it is just a place to engage. Twitter is a big one that I definitely use a lot of. So if you want to engage with me anywhere I am at any time of day, there's no guarantee I'll respond, but I'll definitely see everything and I'll probably like or like retweet things and things like that. Just another place to do things. And I guess the final thing that I really wanted to say was, or the final two things that I really wanted to say was, one, the website. I'm sure you guys knew my hype season for the website. The website is still coming along. Of course, I traveled, so I couldn't really do much. My internet access was limited. I did not even have data most of the time, just because in Ghana, a lot of the time, at least for me at least, using Vodafone, I had to pay for every like few gigabytes that I used. It's not that expensive compared to US prices, but you know how it is when you have to go out and get the phone card and add top up every single time you run out of data. That's mainly why no uploads came up. So it got me just a lot of different things with that. And then once again, the last thing though is just like, thank you, right? It's just, I want to say it over and over again because I'm not at 10,000. I'm not at 5,000. I'm not at anything crazy. I'm not even at 3,000, but it's kind of like a dream of mine to even have gotten past 1,000 on the channel, let alone 2,600, let alone whatever it is right now. So thank you. I'm not an IT person. I work in the arts field and museum field. So it's crazy that someone like me is pulling this kind of thing off. Build video updates are going to come back. If there are actually solid things to pump out content wise when new builds come out. I know they've shaken up the dev channel and other channel a lot now, so we'll see about that. But overall, yeah, thank you all, and don't worry, there will be an upload still this week for Tuesday as well as Thursday. But I think starting the week after, so starting next week, that's when it'll shift to the Friday schedule. And then I have to probably just temporarily change the banner to say Monday, Friday, and then after a while after that, probably 2 weeks or so, the banner will change completely to a whole different graphic. And yeah, so thank you all for watching. Hopefully you got this far in the video. Let me know everything that you guys have been up to in the comment section below. Take care.